up, YouTube? It's Jeremy Cash, back with the Sneaker Division. I got my boy here,
Cesar Perez.
I got some shoes. We're gonna go over them today. They're KD13s. What do you think about KD13s, bro?
I mean, KD13s is not a bad shoe. I actually like some of the colorways that he's dropped. There's been some good colorways.
Yep.
There's been some horrible colorways, I feel like.
Yep.
It just depends on the colorway, I feel like. But overall, like, it's a good, solid sneaker. I feel like it's very rockable, very hype-based. We have a pair actually right here.
These are the 2K exclusives.
2K20, yeah, exactly. These are the KD13s. It's got the floral pattern, light Volt green on there. Overall, I love this shoe just because it is a little bit different. You don't see a floral pattern very much.
Especially on a men's shoe.
Yeah.
It's got gold chains and stuff on it too, so it's not just flowers.
It makes it look a little bit more sophisticated. There's another pair that has a lot more gold chains and stuff on it. We call it the Migos one.
Yeah, the Migos colorway.
The Migos colorway. And that one's,
yeah.
I don't like that one. But this is nice and clean. This is different. You know what I mean?
Show it to a couple girls too, and they love it.
Yeah, every female that we've showed this to, whether it's like our mothers or my lady, like they straight up was like, "Oh, we love that. We love the color, love the pattern." So I'm excited to see what this new colorway is gonna be like. Because I know a couple of them has drops lately, so.
That's where I feel like before we get into this shoe and this colorway, we gotta do something a little different.
What do you mean?
Well, we gotta get groovy, yeah. And we're back. And now I feel like we're in the mood. We're in the groove.
Yeah, man. Totally in the groove. Ooh, that looks pretty gnarly.
We got the KD13s. Kevin Durant. He's actually one of my favorite players. I don't know about you.
Pretty dope. I love him. Ah, so you got the love piece in basketball.
I told you, we had to get into the groove, bro.
Ah, so funny thing about this particular colorway. This pays homage to the 1960 groovy music from back in the days, but is at the same time double for Kevin Durant's smooth and groovy transition in the basketball court.
These are dope.
He actually chose this colorway.
Oh, did he personally?
He personally chose this to represent the 60s vibe. It's got that Beatles type of yellow as you see around. Yeah. From the Yellow Submarine. Okay. But, you know, it's got that groovy, acid, trippy,
definitely
love piece in basketball.
That's what they are. They look nice though. I like the orange shoelaces, bro. Yeah, those they pop.
Yeah, they do pop. Those are like the perfect laces for these. I'm gonna be honest, when I saw them online, I thought that they were gonna be like a little too much, but now that I'm looking at them, they are pretty dope.
Yeah, they're pretty sick. I like the patchwork, like the little patches they got all over the place. They got a little smiley face, the love patch, and then they got like a piece of basketball on that side.
Absolutely. And then what's pretty cool, I think as well, that it's like a minor detail, but I noticed this off the bat. It's the tongue.
Yeah, the top of the tongue.
The top of the tongue has like a little groove little pattern. That is in itself awesome. That's different. Groovy.
Even the tongue's got like a mesh over it.
It's got the groove. So
it's got like, the tongue's got like a little mesh over it too. Like you see, it's like a mesh over the actual.
Yeah, you're right.
Inside. I like the Nike swoosh. How it's like clear.
Yeah, exactly. How it's actually clear and part of the midsole too. Yeah. Make it to one color. No extra laces from what we see.
But these
which you don't need to.
Yeah, these laces are nice enough. These actually, because they make a pop. They're not just plain Jane. Nothing. It's ready to go straight out the bat.
Just looking at the sole, that's completely different too. That's a whole different pattern. I'm curious to see
the Air Zoom technology.
How that traction would work. You know what I mean?
Definitely.
But other than that, this is pretty groovy, man. It's like totally gnarly.
I can't wait to wear these to like the music festivals and stuff that we go to. That's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah, it would be fun. These are pretty groovy.
I like them.
Well, ladies and gentlemen,
Another one in the books. Remember,
like and subscribe.
yeah,
Break
definitely.
down below.
Comment. Subscribe over here. Video over there.
Drop peace signs. Smiley faces.
And put one in the air.
Hey.
Remember, it's nice to be important. More important to be nice.
How about you comment? We catch you later. Let's not y'all later.